A very good afternoon to one and all. So in this session, we are going to discuss about some new areas. So already we have discussed something related about the isometric projection. In the case of isometric projection, in past classes, we had discussed about the construction of prism, pyramids, cylinders, the combination of these three things. These are the things that we discussed. So today we are going to discuss about the isometric projection of a sphere. But anyhow, it is not coming under our syllabus. Sometime, if possible, they may ask this kind of question also. You can't say that this is not in our syllabus, but you must know how to construct the sphere in the isometric projection. Okay, I will go with only one problem related to sphere. So today question we are going to discuss about draw the isometric view of a sphere of diameter 60 mm kept centrally on a square prism, side of base 50 mm and height 30 mm. So here in this particular question, two different solids are given. The first solid is sphere with the diameter of 60 mm. Then another one, it is kept centrally on a square prism, side of base 50 mm and height 30 mm. So two different solids are available. The base solid is square prism, above which we are keeping the sphere with the diameter of 60 mm. So if you are ready, let's get started. Okay. So first one is a square prism. You know that what is square prism? So I can draw like this for your understanding purpose. It's a square prism. It's a square prism. Then above which one sphere is there with the diameter of 60 mm. So second solid is sphere. Second solid is sphere. Second solid is sphere with the size of 60 mm dia. So here two different solids are given. Now we go to the procedure. So what to do? Usually in isometric projection, in an isometric view, first you have to draw the orthographic projection of the given setup. Here given setup is two different solids. So first draw the XY line. So initially one square prism is there with the side of 40 mm, with the side of 50 mm, 30 mm height. So 50 mm. So this is 50 mm, 50 by 50. Then project it. We will get the height component. Height is 30 mm. Height is 30 mm. Okay, first solid is over. Then fix the central line. This is central line. One sphere is there. Sphere diameter is 60. So here this is 50. The diameter of the sphere is 60, somewhat higher than the value of this one. So definitely in the top view it is look like that. The inner side things are invisible. In the top view it is not visible. Am I right? So these are the things are visible. Now I can draw the same thing here also. Okay. So this is the front view, front and the top view of the given setup. Here combination of two solids are there. The first solid is prism, second solid is a sphere. So now here ultimate aim is to construct the isometric view of this combination. Okay. Now you know the procedure, what to do. Draw the isometric axis. You know that. How to construct the isometric axis. So three axes are over: the vertical component, front view component, side view component. You can take that's your wish. So first height component is given as 30 mm. Base solid is a square prism. First to take the first solid. This is my first solid. 30 mm height, 50 mm on side and front view. Now everyone know that how to construct this particular diagram. So construction of construction of prism is very much easy. Already we come across various problems related to prism. So first to construct the box. It's a regular solid. So we have the regular box. The second solid is a sphere. But here how to construct the sphere? Next question is how to construct the sphere. Construction of sphere is very easy. Construction of sphere is very much easy. First find the center point on the top surface. Center point on the top surface. So this is my center point. First find the center point of the top surface. The top surface center point is identified. So I can consider O. Okay. Now take the radius. So what is the radius? The diameter is 60 mm given. The radius is nearly 30 mm. Okay. Now draw the line which is perpendicular line. Draw the perpendicular line and fix the point which is 30 mm from the center. So first your work is find the center point of the top surface. So O is the center point on the top surface. Now draw the vertical line which is parallel to this one. Draw the vertical line and then mark the point 30 mm above which. Okay, now take this as under, this much as radius, make a circle. Okay. That's all about the isometric projection. The construction of prism, construction of sphere is very easy. Find the center point. This is the very most thing. How to find the center point? First is find the center in the top surface. Then construct the vertical line. Then fix the radius. The radius is 30 mm. That is available in the question itself. After constructing this one, finally darken the area whatever required. Here the required thing is this line, this line, this one, then this one. So this is the thing visible. Then remaining things are, the circle is visible. This circle indicates the sphere actually. Okay, this is over. Then the vertical edges, base edges of the square prism. That's all about the isometric projection of this particular solid. Once again I will repeat. Here box construction is required for some other cases. But especially in the case of sphere, we don't want any boxes. Because here in this construction, we are doing the same circle over the square prism. First construct the square prism, find the center point on the top surface, then draw the vertical line, then fix the radius. Take this as center. Here this diagram. Take O1. Take this as center. 30 mm as a radius, then make a circle. Then finally darken the area whatever required. Now you get the final answer for this particular question. Clear? Anyhow, the sphere is not in our syllabus. It's a constructional procedure. You know that how to draw the boxes. Here in the case of sphere alone, box is not required. I hope you are clear in this concept. Okay. If you are ready, then we will move to the next problem. Okay, this is your first problem.